Science and Technology Minister Michael Lobo said many illegal shops have come up along the district road between Parra and Mapsa. They hinder movement of traffic, he stated. The illegal shops at Parra were demolished on Thursday. We are going to build footpaths and parking and also widen the road, Lobo stated. Sarpanch of Vella Kanka Village Panchayat Milton Marcus said that the demolition was directed by High Court and notice had earlier been sent by the Vella Kanka Village Panchayat. He said the shops are touching the road and there is no place for parking. Marcus said most of these shops are built by migrants, but even then they should follow the rules.
A lot of illegal shops are mushrooming on the touching the road. You can see just they cut even the edge of the road and they build a shop overnight of patra. Some people put plastic, say that this is our land and we have to build. This is a major district road where people come, these two-wheelers, four-wheelers, every minute more than 50 two-wheelers and four-wheelers pass on both sides. So we are duty bound to see that all these illegalities are stopped. And we have also undertaken the work of this main road to put up footpath, to put out parking lots wherever it is possible and slightly widen it. Now people have to cooperate. We don't want somebody's business to stop. कोणाचे पोटार आमी आड येवंक सोदिना. तेणी फाटी वचपाक जाय. Road going from Shinkerim to Mapsa, Kalangut to Mapsa, Talegaon to Mapsa. लोक गाडी रोडार चलयतले काय खंय चलयतले हेजो प्रश्न. लोक आसता आसतना फोर व्हीलर टू व्हीलर मेन रोडार पार्क करतात. To go in some shop, they have to park beyond the road. So we want to make this as a freeway. And notification has been issued by North Goa collector for no parking and parking also right from Parra till Mapsa. We two-wheeler parking करून जाय, we four-wheeler parking करून जाय, we bus bay आसतली. हे आमी 100% implement करपाची गरज आहे.
Order is been directed by the High Court. Plus, we have also sent him a demolishing order that it is going to be demolished. Those flimsy grounds of maintaining these structures will not work. There has to be, under any circumstances, proper place for parking. Now you will see, if you turn the camera there, his shop is about to be demolished. He's put all his sellable items, buckets and all outside, touching the tar. So where is going to be the parking for that shop? They should make sufficient parking area for themselves. आणि मागीरूच तेणी तांकां जाय जाल्यार तेणी शॉपां घालूं येता. पूण रोड वायडनिंग आमच्या कालंगूटच्या आमदारान 25 मीटर रोड आसलो तो 15 मीटर रोड केला. कोणाक लागून? हांकां लोकांची भाटापिड्या जावन हांकां लुसकोण जावचें न्हू म्हणून. आनी तरी पूण हे तर रोडाक तेंकोन तरी बांदलेले जाल्यार हो रोड करून फायदो ना. आय डोंट नो वेदर यू विल नो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ वन वे रोड. देयर इज गोइंग टू बी दोज डिवायडर्स इन बिटवीन for the free flow of traffic, and we have had several accidents at Vishwadit Circle. All this has to stop. Somebody has to take the onus. जे parking provision करूंक आहा तेका हांव फाल्यांच्यान मार्किंग करून दितलो आनी त्याच्या भायर तेणी कितें केलें थोडे बिजनेस थोड्यांक लायसन्स दिल्ले आहा they can continue, but around that circle, Kanka circle, there are no licenses given. I would have appreciated if somebody had to put one shop or two shops. They're putting shops after shops after shops after shops. ते पासून इच्छा नव्हती. मागीर भोव म्हणटात घांटी येयले म्हणून. आमचे लोक आतां तूं पळय एक तरी शॉप गोंयकाराची सगळीं शॉपां एक तरी गोंयकार बिजनेस करताले सांगचें म्हाका. एकटो गोंयकार ना ह्या धंद्यांनी. ते खंयचे येतात हांगा शॉपाक येतात, मागीर हांगा घरांक येतात, प्लॉट घेतात आनी मागीर हांगासले गोंयकार जातात. ते जावं न्ही, गोंयकार आतां फिके पडलेले आसा. बट follow the rules, regulations. This is an MDR road.